Welcome back. Today we are looking at the CNCEST 600W lantern, Type 5 blades Vertical Wind 2 Review Expert Performance Analysis. As a student craftsman who enjoys learning practical skills through hands-on projects, I am always searching for equipment that teaches more than it simply performs. The CNCEST 600W lantern Type 5 blades Vertical Wind Turbine generator turned out to be one of those rare projects that not only generated renewable energy, but also helped me understand the fundamentals of wind power, electrical systems, mounting techniques, and hybrid renewable energy design. When I first started researching small-scale renewable energy systems, I was overwhelmed by technical specifications, installation methods, controllers, battery systems, and power calculations. Check the video description for the updated price link. Many products looked complicated and intimidating. However, this wind turbine home generator offered a practical entry point into renewable energy projects while still providing enough capability to be genuinely useful. The CNCEST 600W vertical wind turbine combines a unique lantern-style vertical axis design with 5 blades, a controller, and flange plate mounting hardware. Designed for marine applications, hybrid solar systems, street lighting, cabins, workshops, and off-grid setups, it provides an excellent opportunity for beginners and experienced hobbyists alike to explore wind energy generation. For anyone interested in learning renewable energy skills through practical experience, this turbine delivers far more educational value than I initially expected. You can also browse this related product guide for additional product recommendations. Suitable for wind and solar hybrid systems, compact footprint compared to horizontal turbines. One of the biggest challenges for students learning technical trades is finding projects that combine theory with practical application. Reading about renewable energy is useful, but installing and operating a working wind turbine teaches lessons that books simply cannot provide. With the CNCEST 600W vertical wind turbine, I learned about wind patterns, electrical wiring, controller functionality, battery charging principles, and system optimization. The project forced me to understand how environmental factors influence energy production. I learned why turbine placement matters, how airflow changes around buildings, and why renewable energy systems must be carefully planned. Instead of being just another piece of equipment, this turbine became an educational platform. That practical learning experience is one of the reasons I recommend it to hobbyists, students, DIY builders, and renewable energy enthusiasts. The first thing that attracted me to this generator was its lantern-style vertical axis configuration. Unlike traditional horizontal wind turbines that require precise orientation toward the wind, vertical axis turbines can generally accept wind from multiple directions. This characteristic makes them particularly appealing for beginners because installation is often more forgiving. The 5-blade design creates a distinctive appearance that stands out from conventional wind turbines. Beyond aesthetics, the design supports stable rotation and can operate effectively in changing wind conditions. As a student learning about renewable energy engineering, observing how the turbine responded to varying wind directions provided valuable real-world insight into aerodynamic principles. The compact vertical structure also makes it easier to integrate into residential and workshop environments. One of the biggest benefits I discovered was the educational value of the entire installation process. Setting up the flange plate taught me about mounting systems and structural support. Connecting the controller introduced me to renewable energy electronics. Monitoring voltage and charging performance improved my understanding of power generation. These are skills that can transfer directly into future solar projects, battery storage systems, and broader electrical work. For students studying engineering, renewable energy technology, electronics, or skilled trades, hands-on projects often accelerate learning dramatically. This turbine provides exactly that kind of practical experience. Check the link in the description to get yours today.